So I have a haul that I did when I went to Texas recently. I took a trip there with my family. We were there for a week, just about. And I managed to get out and do a little shopping, of course. So I did go to a TJ Maxx. I went to some crafty places, which I showed on my other channel, Stephanie GTV. So if you want to see some of the crafty and art stuff that I hauled, that would be on that channel. But I'm going to show you sort of the fashion and beauty stuff that I hauled on, you know, from my Texas trip on this channel. Now, I thought I had more stuff, y'all, but apparently I don't. So I did get to TJ Maxx, like I mentioned, and I was trying to find this palette. This is a viral palette by Jacqueline Cosmetics. It's called Strawberry Fields. All right, it's a really beautiful palette, and it was $12.99 at the TJ Maxx in Texas. It was out, well, I went to TJ Maxx first, and I only got a couple things there because they didn't have a lot of stuff, so I grabbed this and some other stuff that I already used. But I want to show you this palette really quick in case you, you know, see it and you think, you know, you want to check it out. So I didn't get a lot of stuff. Like I said, I was there, and this is what the palette looks like. It's beautiful. Okay, just so you can see it, and it's beautiful. All right, that's what it looks like. Look at the colors on that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Maybe except this one. I don't know if I could use that one, but all these other ones I could probably use. Right, you do the layering thing. Just really beautiful colors. So if you are out and about and you see, you know, in TJ Maxx and you see this, you should probably grab it. Because for $12.99, that's not bad at all. So really, I think I got this. I got a thing for my son's hair. And I got like a wine opener. That's all I got at the TJ Maxx. Because they didn't have much. So, and I'm kind of glad I did. Because I went to the outlet mall. And that's where I spent all my money, y'all. Like, shoes. Now, I don't have a lot of shoes that I can wear. I just, you know, over the years, I just haven't bought, I have bought like sneakers. Like I wear the Asics sneakers just because it's a better fit for me. And if you have, you know, ankle and foot problems and stuff like that, those tend to work better for me. So, you know, I said, well, you know, once my ankle gets better, I will, because I have some issues with my ankle for a long time. I would buy some more shoes. So it started to get just a little bit better. I thought I should probably invest in some nice shoes. And of course, I'm a shoe queen. I've always loved shoes. And I saw some when I was there and I just could not leave the store without them, y'all. Oh my God. So the first place I went to was Michael Kors. I bought some Michael Kors boots, y'all. These were originally $245 boots. Okay. $245. I got them for $51 at the outlet. All right. So cute. And they're comfy. Look at that. Michael Kors, MK under the bottom. All right. So cute. They zip up the side here. Let's zip it up. Okay. Well, let's fix it first and then zip it up. Okay. And then it ties up. So cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. These are so cute. I haven't had any cute boots. You know, little boots I can rock for a long time. And yeah, they're big because they're like a 9. Size 9. I think these are 9.5, y'all. Because they did run small, so I had to get a 9.5. All right. Very, very cute Michael Kors boots. $51 at the outlet. They have some other cute shoes. And you know what I did? I told the girl, I said, okay, well, hold those shoes. Because I'm going to come back. Because I wanted to go to the Crocs store, y'all. I didn't even go back to Michael Kors because I got Crocs. Let me show you the Crocs, okay? Let me put these down. I got some new Crocs. I am a huge fan of their new styles that they have out. Now, I forgot what this one's called. Is it called Crush? I think this one's called Crush. It's the platform, the giant platform shoe. This one is a 9. It is huge. Now, here's the thing about these Crocs. A lot of people, and also the other one I'm getting ready to show you, a lot of people say that the sizing is strange. Well, a 9 hits me perfectly. Okay, a 9 is perfect for me. So, you know, I don't know what that's worth, but hey, if you order online, everybody, their opinion is that you should order a size down. But again, the 9 works best for me. So I got these and I absolutely love them. They are heavy. Now look at these shoes. They're super heavy. Not super heavy, but they're heavy, right? They're pretty heavy. Okay. They've been in my suitcase. That's why they kind of get dusty here. They didn't give me a box or anything. So I got these at the Crocs stores. These were $69.99 at the Crocs store. Okay. And I'm going to be making my own Croc charms for the shoes. I'll be putting that probably on my other channel, Stephanie Garrett Creative. So come on, follow me over there if you want to learn how to make croc charms, okay? So yeah, I got those. They're a little on the heavy side, y'all. But the size fits me perfect. So that's just my opinion on that. And then, y'all, here is my favorite thing ever. Wait till you see these. Look at these beautiful shoes. Aren't they gorgeous? This is the Mega Crush. And this is a size 9. And it hits me perfectly. It fits perfectly. Right? Size 9 fits me great, y'all. So I don't know what to tell you. Now, I did buy these charms there. Y'all, these were so expensive. But they're so beautiful. So I'm going to learn how to make... I'm going to make my own. Okay? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make my own and then, you know, add to them. Because you can take these out, obviously. And interchange them. Now, I love this sort of denim blue. It's gorgeous. Okay? With this has little silver... you know, buttons there. It's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the bottom of the shoe. They are comfortable. They feel amazing. So I do need some more charms to go like on the sides here. You know, like here and like here. Okay. But these are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. So these were, here's the price. $74.99 at the Croc store. Okay. In Texas. I want to say it was in Burleson, Texas, wherever the outlet is. Okay. I believe that's where I went. So I went to visit family and friends, and we made a little trip out there, and it was really nice. We had a great day. So I got my new shoes. Wait, let's do it on this. Let's do it. Can we do it like this? No, that's the opposite way. So here's the other charms. Aren't they beautiful, though? Look at those charms. They're gorgeous. Really pretty. I love those. These charms were like $4 a piece, $5 a piece, something like that. So look at the little unicorn. Isn't that beautiful? I thought it went so well with the shoe. I like any type of bling, so. I am dying for these in black. Y'all, I cannot find these shoes anywhere in black. Nowhere in America do they have these shoes in black. I don't understand. All the girls are buying up the sizes. I can't find them in black. I've been online to every store, every online store. Crocs doesn't have them. Zappos doesn't have them. Amazon, nobody has them. I found a couple of stores that sell them. They're all out of sizes, and you can't even order. One girl was going to order them and, you know, have them shipped to the house. She searched for 200 miles. They didn't have them. Okay, so yeah. The black ones are out of stock, but I got these. All right, so I got those at the Croc store. Y'all, beautiful, beautiful shoes. All right, so that's it for my shoe haul from my Texas trip. Again, you can check out my videos of some things that I filmed while I was in Texas. We went to a wild animal park, some restaurants and other little things, stockyards. We hit up a few things. So check those videos out. They should be coming out soon. If they're not out by the time you see this, they will be coming out, you know, soon, very, very soon. I got to edit those, got to put all the clips together. So you can get a nice little... you know, view of some of the things that I've seen in Texas while I was there. I had a lot of fun, though. I really did. I was a little surprised that everybody was nice. The food was amazingly delicious and very fattening. And I really enjoyed myself. So, yay. And I got some good stuff when I went shopping. So, hey, that's a great trip for me, right? All right, y'all. So, I'm done. I just wanted to share with you some of the things I grabbed. So, if you have any questions or comments, please leave below and I'll answer it and I'll get back to you. All right. My link tree is down in the description. Check out all the things I'm working on, and I have got going on my, you know, all of my different socials. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.